Have you guys ever heard of VlogEasy? VlogEasy is a super convenient app you can download on your phone that helps you edit videos like that. It cuts out all the silent parts of your videos so you can film and edit very quickly. Without further ado, let's jump into a demo and I can show you how it works. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use VlogEasy. So what you can do if you're on an iPhone, you can search the app and download it. It's just VlogEasy and it will come up. I already have it. So I'm going to record a video where I'm going to be moving and then I'm going to stop and then I'm going to keep moving to show you how this works and so how it will stop the silent part. So I'm going to be talking during the movement part and I'm going to be silent during the part where I'm not moving. So let's do this. So I'm going to click record. La 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 la. La 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 la. Then I'm going to click the button. It's going to edit it and cut out the parts for me. And then you can notice when I play it back, it's all the parts where I'm just moving around. So it's cutting all those silent parts out. Now the way I'm recording it right now, you can't hear the audio because I'm recording it through QuickTime and it's not letting me play out the audio from the iPhone. But if you did this on your phone, that's exactly what it would do. And it's really cool. It has a lot of cool features. So you can have like text elements like you can say la 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 or something. I know that's kind of annoying, but and then you could like scroll in your timeline here. You can make it bigger. So if you play this back, you can kind of have some effects like that. And then there is a little button here with a bunch of different options. You can click the question for help. And it's all about moving layers up and down and moving things around. So like if you wanted something behind something, you could do that. If you wanted to duplicate a layer, you could do that. So if I duplicate a layer and then I click this little duplicate button, I can drag the different layers to different places. And it could be all over my face, which probably doesn't look very good, but I could do that if I wanted to. If you want to delete one of the text layers, you can actually you can click on it and click the trash can in the top left to delete a layer. You can also add more videos and pictures and GIFs and stickers by clicking the bottom right. You can also use Pexels, which is like a stock free library of different videos, so you can make like really cool ads using this. It'd be a great way to make like an Instagram story ad. If you want to share your video and export it, you can click the share button in the top left and then you can say what resolution you want it at. You could probably do 720 for this, and because it's for the phone, and then do 60 frames per second, and then you can have like a watermark or set it as an Instagram story, and then we can hit export. It's going to try to export it, and then you could share it to all these different social media sites, your YouTube, your Instagram, your IGTV. It's a great way to make one video and then share it 100,000 times, and it's really great if you're a digital marketer and trying to repurpose content. This is one of the best ways to do it. If I jump back into my photos, I'll see the video of me just saying some random stuff, and it's right there, ready to go, ready to use. I'm very impressed with the VlogEasy platform. I think it's really cool what you can do with it. There's all sorts of little widgets. I can go into more depth, but I just want to give you a quick overview of it. If you want me to do another in-depth video on it, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to make the next video for you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Peace out.